Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, Keisha. Now I'm tripping. That's too, alright. Yes, we got that seasoning. I'm fire, right? You want that Dr. Pepper?
Hello, mama.
Yes, you guys, so that's what we eating today. Boom, 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 more eating. Grab your drinks and your treats. Boom, boom, boom. Say hi to Agnes. Welcome to Wingstop Madness. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl More Eats and your girl Agnes. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, share me out, hit the bell, comment below, all that good stuff. So you know the drill, y'all. Today we are getting into some Wingstop. Let's put the crown jewel right there. Y'all know what it is. Make sure it's in here. Oh, over here one. That ranch, y'all. That ranch is fire. Y'all know that ranch is fire, right? So look, we got some Cajun corn. We got mango habanero. We got Asian. What else did I get? I forgot. I gotta remember when I eat it. Here, have cone. Cone. Ooh. I'm gonna sleep on that Cajun cone. So how everybody doing today? How is everybody doing today? Happy Tuesday. Hawaiian, mango habanero, Asian, and Cajun. That's what I got. That's what I got. Wingstop got the best deal right now. If you like boneless wings, $16.99 for 20 boneless wings plus a side. And I got Cajun corn as my side. So, no. 4 flavors. I got a squirt. I had my granddaughter, she want to make her YouTube debut. This is Cajun.
Mommy dropped her purse. And I dropped her keys.
That ain't Cajun. It's like hot.
Yay.
That's like hot. I don't think that's Cajun. Wingstop.
I didn't think of Mom.
Hold on.
Is that Mommy big girl? Oh. Hey, baby girl. Yeah.
I don't think that's Cajun. I think that's like buffalo or something. That's buffalo.
Your grandma said we gotta be quiet. Yeah, look at her making a video.
What are your favorite Wingstop flavors? I got a few. She wouldn't know.
Yeah.
I can get with that lemon pepper, y'all. I know that's a lot of people's favorite, but that lemon pepper be too saucy. This that Asian. That's my favorite. Got that little hit a soy.
The baby wants some.
You want some chicken?
That's chicken? No,
Right.
I was on FaceTime with the kids and
That's
Papa was
shit.
like, is Keisha over there? I said she went to go get some chicken. He said, TT, TT, I want some chicken. I said, you do?
You're probably thinking about those ribs.
Right. Or that steak.
No, that's steak.
I told Kylie, I said, Kylie, do you love school? Yeah, I said, see, I told you. I said, didn't I tell you when you started going to school? I said, you was going to love school and your teacher. I said, don't you have so many new friends? She said, yes. I said, then don't you go to the park every day? She said, yes. I said, I told you. She said, I'm sorry, TT, I did not know.
I don't know, right? I knew she was gonna like it.
Now she gonna.
Oh, they so friendly. She walked right in that gate,
She
like, bye.
now, when she get a little older, she gonna be like, bro, I gotta do this for how long? Oh, yeah, I do this with my paws.
So good.
One more time.
So, November is a wrap. On to December. Have y'all started? Do y'all start Christmas shopping this early? Because I know I don't. Do you have your tree up? Oh, question. Fake tree or real tree? Comment below. Fake tree or real tree? Let me know. Alright. Hey, Gamma, baby. She gonna make her YouTube debut pretty soon, y'all. She gonna be right on the video with Gamma.
No, she not.
Yes, she is.
No, she not.
Watch. Watch. She gonna make her YouTube debut. I think this is the Hawaiian. The grip, these things are sliding. I don't like that one. No. I don't really like that one. I don't know what it tastes like. I think the Hawaiian is a new flavor too. I don't like that. I could have kept it. The buffalo is good. Asian is my favorite. Asian right here is my favorite. This mango habanero. And that's Hawaiian.
Hot.
Mango habanero is good.
It's hot.
It's spicy. Got a little kick. But them Hawaiian ones is not good. You want to try one?
Why you want me to try the ones that's not good? Type of mess is
You
that?
might like it.
These are not good. You want to try it? Like what?
You might. That's how people be like, ugh, this don't smell good. Want to smell it? No,
Right.
smell it. Smell it. No.
This shit ain't smell this. Like what? Why would I want to do that?
So, no on the Hawaiian. All the other ones, y'all know, they're good. Yes on the corn. Yes on the Cajun corn.
Yes, on the cone.
It's cone. Got juice. Shout out to Tam Sable. I love the fact, I love that your last mukbang, girl.
Ooh, did I leave that garage?
I ain't gonna talk too much about, go see. I ain't gonna talk too much about her last video because I want y'all to go see it. But girl, yes, kudos for that one. You did your shit on that. Good one, good one. Good one. Shout out to Cleveland. Y'all go check out Tam's table. Check out her last video. Awesome job, sis. Awesome. I didn't want nothing. Y'all just wanted to come in real quick. Have a couple nibbles. Couple little bites. Nothing too much. Eat some of this ranch. Review a couple flavors. Hawaiian was my only new one. I was supposed to try Cajun, but I think that's buffalo. I don't like the Hawaiian flavor, so out of 10, it's a 4. I'm only giving it a 4 because it's a piece of chicken and all that mess somewhere. But yeah, get the other ones. Cajun corn. I did not like the voodoo fries. I just don't like. I didn't like it. I just didn't like it. I don't think I like their fries. It's only a certain people that make good fries to me, and Wingstop ain't one of them.
Wingstop fries suck.
Oh, not like them.
Wingstop fries are so good because they put sugar on them.
Sugar?
First of all, they fries is nasty. Period.
Nasty. Very nasty. So I didn't want none of y'all grab y'all piece of chicken before I go. Y'all know I don't be eating too much. I just come in here to chit chat. We'll eat some more later. Come on, grab you a wang thing. Y'all done? Y'all done? Okay, cool. Excuse me. On this picture. Me and Agnes are out of here, y'all. You guys have a blessed evening. Boom, boom, boom. Say bye to Agnes. Thanks for coming to I Didn't Want Nothing Madness. Bye, y'all.